Trying to sell your amazing product or service to absolutely everyone online? Thinking a wider net means more customers? What if I told you that approach is actually serving everyone is killing your business? Seriously, it's the fastest way to waste time, money, and completely blend in. If you're struggling to get traction and wondering why your marketing isn't working, it's probably because you haven't found your ideal customer. Stick around, and I'll show you why this mistake is costing you dearly, and how finding just one specific group can unlock everything. So, why does trying to serve everyone online lead to serving no one? When your message is for everybody, it connects deeply with nobody. Your marketing gets generic, you can't figure out where to find the right people, and you just become background noise. This is a massive online business marketing mistake. The key to unlocking growth is finding your specific target audience online business actually needs. This one mistake, marketing to everyone, is costing you sales, wasting your ad budget, and making your business feel like a constant uphill battle. But finding your ideal customer changes the game completely. It simplifies everything. When you know exactly who is your ideal customer, you know where they hang out online, what problems they have, and how to talk directly to them. This allows you to define your target audience clearly. Instead of shouting into the void, you're having focused conversations with the people who most need and want what you offer. That's how you actually get more customers online and build a profitable online business. It's the difference between scattering seeds everywhere and planting them in fertile ground. Finding your ideal customer is the pathway to a clear message and effective marketing. Want to dive deeper into how to find your ideal customer and stop serving everyone is killing your business? Check out my other videos on target audience and online business marketing mistakes to learn more. You'll find more guides to help you start online business the right way.